Hey everyone, welcome back to Camera Lab, your go-to channel for honest and fun camera reviews. Today, I'm super excited to share with you the top 9 best beginner-friendly cameras that are perfect for anyone just starting their photography journey. Whether you love travel, vlogging, or simply capturing life's precious moments, I've got you covered. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know the price and other details. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in and find the perfect camera for you. Beginner-friendly 5K camera. The beginner-friendly 5K camera is designed for those who want high-quality images without complicated settings. Its 5K resolution ensures your photos and videos are sharp, vibrant, and full of life. With an intuitive interface and easy-to-use buttons, this camera is perfect for beginners who want to experiment with photography and videography. The lightweight and compact design makes it ideal to carry around for travel or daily adventures. It also features fast autofocus, image stabilization, and multiple shooting modes, so you can effortlessly capture anything from landscapes to action shots. Whether you're recording family moments or creative projects, this camera gives you professional-level results with beginner-friendly simplicity. Budget-friendly 4K camera. The budget-friendly 4K camera is perfect for anyone starting photography without breaking the bank. Despite its affordable price, it delivers impressive 4K video quality and clear, vibrant images. Its simple touchscreen interface makes adjusting settings a breeze, even for beginners. Lightweight and portable, this camera fits easily into a backpack or bag for travel adventures. It comes with multiple modes, including portrait, night, and action, letting you experiment with different styles. The built-in stabilization ensures smooth videos, while its easy connectivity options make sharing your photos hassle-free. For those looking for a high-quality camera experience on a budget, this 4K camera balances affordability, performance, and beginner-friendly design beautifully. AccuVar-friendly digital camera. The AccuVar-friendly digital camera is designed with beginners in mind, combining simplicity and reliable performance. It offers crisp image quality, easy-to-navigate menus, and user-friendly controls. With multiple automatic modes, this camera helps you capture everything from close-ups to scenic landscapes effortlessly. Its compact body makes it travel-friendly, perfect for daily use or vacation adventures. The camera also provides excellent battery life, so you can shoot longer without interruption. Built-in features like digital zoom, flash, and image stabilization enhance your photography experience. Even if you're just starting out, the AccuVar-friendly digital camera ensures stunning results every time. It's a reliable companion for those who want professional-looking shots without the hassle. 48-megapixel travel mini camera. The 48-megapixel travel mini camera is perfect for photography enthusiasts who want portability and high-resolution photos. Despite its compact size, it packs an impressive 48-megapixel sensor, producing detailed and vibrant images. Its lightweight design makes it ideal for travel, hiking, or casual outings. The camera also includes multiple shooting modes, such as portrait, landscape, and night photography, allowing beginners to experiment with creativity. Fast autofocus and image stabilization ensure sharp photos, while its easy-to-use menu keeps settings simple. You can quickly transfer images to your devices for sharing on social media or creating memories. For anyone who wants a travel-friendly camera without sacrificing quality, this mini camera is a standout choice. Kodak Retro Travel Camera. The Kodak Retro Travel Camera combines classic design with modern photography technology. Its vintage aesthetic makes it a fun addition to any photography setup, while the digital features ensure crisp, high-quality images. Designed for beginners, it features simple controls, automatic modes, and easy connectivity for sharing your photos instantly. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for travel, family outings, or casual photography. The camera includes built-in image stabilization, so your shots come out smooth and clear even in challenging conditions. With multiple shooting options and reliable battery life, the Kodak Retro Travel Camera gives you the joy of retro styling without compromising performance. A perfect blend of nostalgia and modern convenience. 5K dual-screen camera. The 5K dual-screen camera is perfect for vloggers and selfie lovers thanks to its dual-screen design. The front screen allows easy framing for self-portraits, while the back screen gives full control of settings and menus. With 5K resolution, your photos and videos come out ultra clear and vibrant. Its beginner-friendly interface and shooting modes make capturing every moment simple and fun. Lightweight and compact, it's ideal for travel, outdoor adventures, or daily use. Built-in features like fast autofocus, image stabilization, and multiple scene modes enhance your photography experience. If you want a versatile camera that makes self-shooting and creative projects easy, this dual-screen camera is a perfect choice. Kodak 16-megapixel zoom camera. The Kodak 16-megapixel zoom camera is ideal for beginners who want a reliable camera for everyday photography. Its 16-megapixel sensor delivers clear and vibrant images, while the zoom lens allows you to capture distant subjects effortlessly. Simple controls and automatic modes make it easy for anyone to take stunning photos without technical knowledge. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for travel, events, or casual outings. Additional features like image stabilization, built-in flash, and easy connectivity enhance your shooting experience. The camera's durable design ensures it can handle everyday use, making it a dependable companion for beginners. Kodak's trusted quality, combined with beginner-friendly functionality, makes this camera an excellent choice for your photography journey. Kodak Black Zoom Camera. The Kodak Black Zoom camera is a stylish and functional option for beginners. With a powerful zoom lens, you can capture detailed shots from near or far with ease. Its 16MP sensor ensures clear, vibrant images, while simple menus make navigation easy for new photographers. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, or daily photography. The camera includes features like image stabilization, multiple scene modes, and quick connectivity for easy sharing. Its modern black design looks sleek and professional, making it a camera you'll love showing off. For anyone looking for a beginner-friendly camera that combines style, performance, and simplicity, the Kodak Black Zoom camera is a fantastic choice. Kodak C1 Retro Camera. The Kodak C1 Retro camera offers a fun, vintage-inspired design paired with beginner-friendly functionality. Its compact size makes it travel-friendly, while the digital features ensure sharp, high-quality images. Easy-to-use controls and automatic shooting modes let you capture stunning photos without hassle. Built-in image stabilization, flash, and multiple scene modes enhance your photography experience, making it perfect for casual outings or creative projects. The retro design is eye-catching, while the performance delivers modern quality. Lightweight and portable, this camera is ideal for anyone starting their photography journey. For beginners who want a camera that's simple, fun, and capable of producing beautiful images, the Kodak C1 Retro camera is a standout option. That's a wrap on our top 9 best beginner-friendly cameras. I hope this list helps you find the perfect camera that matches your style, budget, and photography needs. Whether you're traveling, vlogging, or capturing everyday moments, these cameras make it easy for beginners to take amazing photos and videos. Don't forget, all the links to these cameras are in the description below for pricing and detailed info. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to Camera Lab for more honest and fun product reviews. Happy shooting!